In this video, I'm going to show you affiliate marketing best ways to start for beginners in 2019. So let's skip the fluff. Let's get straight into the good stuff. So here we are. I'm going to show you 3 different platforms which I feel is personally best for any beginner, intermediate, or expert that's been doing affiliate marketing for a while. The first website I'm going to show you is clickbank.com. Second website I want to show you is, let this load up real fast, hold on, Jvzoo.com. And third website, which is one of my personal favorites for buying software and tools, which is Warrior Plus. I'm going to go through each one of these briefly fast. If this is your first time coming across the channel, definitely subscribe, hit the notification bell so that you're notified when I release new videos covering affiliate marketing, ClickBank, Jvzoo, Warrior Plus, ClickFunnels, and any other affiliate marketing software that's out there except for Amazon affiliate program. I don't believe in that, and I think that's a waste of time. So without further ado, here we are on clickbank.com. Now, out of all of them, which I feel is the personal easiest for, let's say, a beginner, I think that you should start with, sorry about that, text message. Anyway, I feel that you should start with ClickBank. ClickBank should be the easiest for you to get around with. Then I suggest that you go to, well, it depends. I think that you should start with ClickBank, define a niche, and then go into an audience. Then once you find the audience that you want to go into, my next best bet for you would be, hold on, let me log in here. So I'm logged into the ClickBank affiliate marketplace. If you don't know how to get here, as you just seen on my screen, you want to go to clickbank.com, which is what was on the screen. You want to go to log in if you already have an account. If you don't have an account, you want to go to create account. If you don't know how to create an account, click on the button or watch a few of my previous videos. It'll walk you through it step by step. But I'm assuming that you know how to do that based that you're still this far in the video. So as I was saying, if you're a beginner, intermediate, possibly expert, but let's say you're a beginner, intermediate, what you want to do is come over here to where it says categories. I'll bit my lip. And you want to find the best niche category that you feel that you could promote the offer to. Now I'm going to give you a tip. The best 3 evergreen niches, which is long-lasting trending content that people are always looking for, is health, wealth, love, and romance. So people are always looking how they can get better health. People are always looking how they can make more money. And people are always looking how they can take care of themselves in a better, attractive, more healthy way. So let's start with something easy. I'm going to go into the health and fitness niche right here. And for ClickBank, what you want to do is you want to go sort results by, gonna come down here to gravity. Never do popularity. You want to look for gravity, because gravity down here, see that number? Let's see if I can highlight that. Yes, I can. That means a lot of people are gravitating towards this offer, meaning that it's working, meaning that it's selling, meaning that it has potential for you to make money. Now, some of you may thinking, well, if there's a lot of gravity, that means a lot of people promoting this, that means that it's already saturated. I don't believe that saturation is real. Even if a lot of people is marketing and promoting the offer, to me, that just means that the offer is working. That means that there's a piece of the cake that you can get a slice and you can get your cut for. But you want to just search by gravity. Over here on average sale, as you can see right here and here and here, every time you get one person to buy for this particular offer, you get $33.61, $34.24, $39.75. But what you want to do is you want to look for the average total rebill. Quiet. And this will show you how much that you can make monthly. So if we go down here, so on the initial sale, for the first sale, you'll make $34.24. But if they decide to stay monthly, you'll make an average of $58.22 a month for every month that person is still signed up with your affiliate program. Imagine what an extra $60 per person that can help you If you got 10 people, that would be $600 a month without you having to do anything except just promoting this offer and getting that one person to buy one time for $34, 24 cents a month. And then if they stay on an average of 1 month, that's $60. You get 10 people, that's $600. Power of affiliate marketing is amazing, and it is revolutioning the way that we see making money, not only just online, but making money in general as we move towards a new era of the 2020 decade. So this has been ClickBank. Let me go to the Warrior Plus marketplace. Now here is, as I said, you want to know your niche before you come into Warriors Plus. Now, a lot of their products, you can see they have what's selling today, what's selling yesterday, the last 7 days, last 30 days. If you're a beginner intermediate, I recommend that you check the last 7 days, because this will show you that what's hit the market within the last week and what's already working, and you can see if you want to get your hands on that. I don't recommend you checking for what's launching for today, only because it hasn't been tested and proven that it's working. It's just showing you that this is what has been released for that day. So mainly when you're on Warrior Plus, this is for people who's looking to make money online. Warriors Plus is for those who is in the make money online niche. And let's see if we can find some products. Believe all this is in the last 7 days, and today's August 1st, so this is the last 7 to 9 days. As you can see here, July 22nd, and today's August 1st, so that's 9 days. So let's just load up an offer here. Alright, boom. So right here we had this offer for Facebook remarketing. So for those of you who do know about Facebook ads, you know that remarketing and retargeting is a key essential in your online advertising to get people to come back to your offer to buy or potentially buy. I had to learn this the hard way, that when you do Facebook remarketing, that if you just send that traffic to the offer,
hey there, how's it going? I am so excited to show you this updated, completely written, and really high quality product on one of the hottest topics ever, Facebook remarketing, which you can sell under your own.
Yeah, so like I was saying, I had to learn that if you just send the traffic there, and if they don't buy and they just leave, like, that's just wasting traffic. So this offer can be helpful to those who's looking to retarget them, which means bring them back from hitting your offer or your landing page, which you send them to, by using a Facebook pixel. I'm not going to talk about that in the video. If you want to see that, I'll say that for a separate video of how to create a Facebook pixel. And what that's going to do is you can retarget them, like I said, through the pixel, and have them come back to this offer. So if I was to send someone who was looking for how to retarget or remarket in Facebook, this is something that I would send to them so that they can learn from this. Who is this? Slap your name onto any. Well, so that they can learn from this offer. As you can see, 56% of companies use remarketing to gain customers. Retargeting ads are 76 more likely to get clicks in regular display. 95% social marketers regularly use Facebook ads, etc., etc. And I would send them to these guys who I've heard of him, so he's been in this marketplace for a while, and I would send that to them to not only, yes, we're looking to make sales, to make money, but we're also looking to help people. If you cannot send an offer that's going to help someone, you're going to have a very difficult time trying to make money online, especially in affiliate marketing. The goal of affiliate marketing is to put an offer in front of someone who's in a situation, who you know the situation, or you know, or you have some general idea of the situation, and you can use that to send that to them so that it can help them. For this example, Facebook remarketing. Don't know why they didn't say retargeting, but anyway, you would do retargeting to help them not waste money on the front end, but make their money back on the back end by having them come back to the offer. They just need a little bit more of a push to buy. So that's Warrior Plus. And do not leave this video, because here we are at Jvzoo. So if you ask me what the order I would have a beginner intermediate go through, I would definitely say it would be ClickBank, Warrior Plus, Jvzoo. So let's talk about Jvzoo. I'm going to go to the marketplace here. I believe I'm already signed in, so hopefully I won't have to log in. And I'm not logged in. Or am I? My computer likes to play tricks on me, so bear with me here. No, I'm not logged in, but that's okay. So, same thing, but the difference of Jvzoo is they have it branched off into different categories. Now, beginning and towards the earlier part of this video, I was telling you about health, wealth, fitness, and romance. Those are, you can put fitness and romance in this. You can put fitness with health. But anyway, people looking to make money, people looking to lose weight, and people looking to health, wealth, and people looking for love. So, to continue on with this, I know on ClickBank I choose in the health and fitness. So for this one, we're going to go into, let's go into business. So here we're going to look for entrepreneurial people like yourselves, if you're watching this video, of how to make money through affiliate marketing. So if you were looking for that, you can come in here to Jvzoo. You can look for a category. Now you have to find, you want to come up here to this bar. You want to go to sales. You don't want to go to newest, you want to go to sales, because you want to see what's selling or what's previous been selling or what's getting the most sales right now. I'm not logged in, so you can't see the numbers, so I apologize for that. But as you can see, by you promoting these offers, I know it says buy now, but that's because you're not logged in. If I was logged in, there would be an offer for me to promote this, but I'm not. But basically, you can see that you would make $37 per sale for this one, $67 per sale. But what you want to do is, as we've gone through the previous two, you want to find an offer which you can help solve a solution to or a problem. So just off the top of my head, let's check out Viral Loop. It says niche targeting, viral marketing, all-in-one WordPress theme. So this would be helpful for those who want to make a blog and they want to do specific niche targeting, which is based on the viral marketing. I'm assuming that they're going about organically ranking, which you could use through SEO, but it says you can automatically capture user email via autoresponder integration and benefit from prime position advertising placement. So we're going to open this in a new tab and see how we will go about advertising to someone who's looking to make a blog in a specific niche, so that they can help them with their niche marketing. Now this is going to be loud. Oh, no, it's not. I was going to autoplay the video, but it didn't. Cool. So as you can see, it's newbie friendly and profit ready fast. Nope, I was wrong. It is going to autoplay. Bear with me because it's about to get loud, but I'll pause as soon as I'm able to. Okay, no list or internet experience needed, used and trusted by 2,000 plus members. So what you would do is you would tell someone who's looking how to blog, hey, this offer is newbie friendly and profit ready fast. You don't need an email list or internet experience needed, and it has been used and trusted by over 2,000 plus members. Click here for access. Then as we keep scrolling down, we have a bunch of testimonials. No risk, no question asked, 30-day money back guarantee. So if they're not satisfied, they're not getting results within 30 days, you can come back, you can email these people, you can request them to send the person who bought from you for their $50 back, or send the $50 back to you and you refund them. But the point of this is, this offer is looking to help people who's looking how to blog for a specific niche. They already know the niche that they want to go into, and it's newbie friendly and profit ready, meaning that even if this is their first time, or if you're a beginner watching this video, this can easily be helpful for you. You don't need a lot of experience, you don't need an email list. It's been used and trusted by over 2,000 plus members. You have a 30-day money back guarantee. If you get no results or little to zero results, you can email these people, get your money back, and you got to test it for a month. And yeah, that's I mean, it's more to it, but I don't want to talk your head off about a product that I personally haven't tested. I'm just showing you for an example purposes. So yeah, thanks for watching. I'm going to have a video playlist for you here on how to make money and all the different concepts that I went over here. Definitely click up over here or down here somewhere. Click here for my most recent video. Click here to watch my affiliate marketing playlist, where I'll show you in depth how to do affiliate marketing. And yeah, click on my head right here, subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell. Thanks for watching. This has been your friend and mentor, Mr. Da Vinci. creating content, helping people escape their 9 to 5s and living a life of freedom and financial stability. I will see you in the next video. Take care.